So I recently sent a mail to Clash of Clans regarding one of the glitches in the game that the bases get locked even without making any changes to them. You can read it here, just pause it and read it. And they came back with a generic, unrelated, pretty much useless reply. So I shot them a mail again. Here it is. I shot them a mail again and I asked them if they actually understood what I said. And they replied, and I will highlight it for you, that it's not possible that without doing any changes the base gets locked, but it is very much possible, and that's what I will show you in this video. So this is my village. Here it is. Let me go to the clan chat, challenge. As you can see, my home village and my war base both are available for challenge. Let me just start a challenge for my clanmates. Let me close it quickly. Now when I go to the village layout editor, not the settings, sorry. When I go to the village layout editor to see how my base looks like to an attacker, edit layout, and I go to the scout view, mind you, I haven't changed anything yet. The base is as it is. But when I cancel it and when I go back and open the clan, let this challenge die out. Let me cancel it. Let this challenge die out. It will take like 1 or 2 seconds more. Okay, when I challenge it, as you can see, the base is locked. This is pretty darn annoying, but this problem exists only for the home base, as I'll show you now. I will repeat the same thing for the war base. Go to edit layout, go to the scout view, cancel it, then let me go back, and now see the war base is still available for challenge. So this problem exists only for the home village. And this technical glitch is not the only thing broken with the implementation of locking down of bases. Even if I do something as trivial as moving a decoration which has no part in the gameplay whatsoever, the base still gets locked. It's nonsensical. I think it's one of the areas of Clash of Clans where developers' attention is immediately needed.